Meanwhile, the parliamentary opposition is accusing the government of trying to cover up the travel expenses.
With that angle of the story, here's TVJ's ANDREA.
Thank you very much, guys. Well, as indicated, Mr. Seiverights' travel expenses amounting to almost $9 million was the center of controversy at this morning's sitting of the PAAC. Now, according to documents, he traveled to several places, including the United States, Germany, and the United Kingdom. The money was for airfare, accommodation, meals and subsistence, ground transportation, and incidentals. But let's give you a breakdown of the figures. Now, for the first fiscal year, that's April 2016 to March 2017, travel expenses were over $2.4 million. From April 2017 to March 2018, over $4.4 million. And it has reached over $2 million since the start of this fiscal year in April. Now, the grand total for all the expenses for the fiscal years, it's $9 million. Now, after obtaining the documents, PAAC Chairman Dr. MCNEIL put the issue to members of the committee.
We have in front of us a communique
no, Chairman, that is not
which indicates the travelling expenses of a member of the staff. Are you suggesting, Mr. Campbell, that we not inquire into it?
Chairman.
No, I just want to know, is that what you're suggesting?
Chairman, indulge me. If we are going to abide, this document was drawn up by this committee.
It was a simple question. Member Campbell, are you saying that we should not ask about this?
Chairman, I think your question is not appropriate at this point, and I'll not answer it for this reason, because certainly this morning you're not Jesus Christ, because he's the only man who I know who, in answer to one question, would ask you another.
PAAC member Leslie Campbell there arguing with the chairman, saying the travel expenditure of Mr. Seiveright was not on the agenda. MARISSA DALRYMPLE FILBERT also had a concern.
I would ask the chair to explain to us as members, how did this document get to the committee this morning? Because we don't know anything about it, and that is important.
Dr. MCNEIL pointed out that Mr. Seiveright's name and compensation package were not on the original list of consultants from the Tourism Ministry. Instead, he was listed as a communications consultant to the Tourism Enhancement Fund. So, because of the conflicting reports, further queries were made.
Therefore, the Ministry of Tourism, at the meeting, it was asked to send and ask for his emoluments and travelling. And the Ministry of Tourism got it, and the Ministry of Finance. They both sent it in yesterday. Is it not of concern that Mr. Seiveright in the last year has racked up $8.9 million in travelling?
You're speaking to a document. I haven't seen the document which you're referencing.
In front of your member?
And indeed... Hold on. And you expect me, is that how we conduct our business? Right. This is the highest court in Jamaica. And any other court that I go to, I'm allowed to prepare.
If I should go by what Mr. Campbell is saying, we should call back the ministry at some later date when we have them right here.
Well, perhaps we ought to do that, but let us...
Perhaps we are going to do it today. No cover-up is going to be $9 million in expense, and you want that to be covered up?
What are you calling a cover-up? What are you calling a cover-up?
$9 million wasted.
So that's how it played out at this morning's sitting of the PAAC. It's back to you.